The first of 3 bridges has been installed at Unity Park. I'm Loren Thomas, and building unity is what's happening in the city of Greenville this week. The Hudson Street Bridge was fabricated in Pickens and transported by truck. It took several hours to lower it into place with a crane, but the bridge will open on July 9th when the Swamp Rabbit Trail extension is complete.
It's good to be back in Greenville, and Mayor Knox White, thank you for your leadership.
Vice President Kamala Harris visited Greenville's Phyllis Wheatley Community Center to promote COVID-19 vaccinations. The mayor and members of council were in attendance for her remarks. In partnership with Prisma Health, the TD Saturday Market will host COVID-19 vaccination clinics on West McBee Avenue. Participants can walk up to receive a vaccine and schedule their second dose at an upcoming clinic. Firefighters responded to the report of a vehicle accident with entrapment. Crews arrived to find a single car partially hanging over a retaining wall with the occupant inside. They stabilized the vehicle and removed the person in the car. Congratulations to Concrete Crew Supervisor Richard McClure, who was named the South Carolina American Public Works Association 2021 Employee of the Year. PROTERRA, an electric bus company with the engineering and manufacturing facility in Greenville, has gone public. This week, the PROTERRA team rang NASDAQ's closing bell in celebration of their company's public listing. Super Summer Camp for children at Bobby Pierce and David Helms Community Centers began this week. Campers will enjoy games, crafts, sports, and field trips through August. We celebrated National Automotive Service Professionals Day by recognizing our city's key players in keeping our city moving. Interested in joining the team? GREENLINK is hiring 10 drivers and 2 mechanics. Learn more at jobs.greenvillesc.gov. The Greenville Zoo Foundation's Name Our Alligator campaign is underway. Greenville Zoo guests can submit a name at the kiosk in the alligator exhibit area. The Greenville Center for Creative Arts hosted a workshop at Falls Park titled Paint the Wings of the City in Black and White Ink Wash. Participants were able to study the sculptures and further develop various drawing techniques.
For 8 years, I ran my train, and I never ran it off the track, and I never lost a passenger.
Campers at David Helms learned more about the Juneteenth holiday during a theatrical performance featuring a portrayal of Harriet Tubman. Here at the Peace Center Amphitheater, a community celebration of Juneteenth continues this Saturday with art, music, and entertainment. I'm Loren Thomas for the City of Greenville.